Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can join TikTok Creativity Beta Program. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. On your profile page, tap on the three-line menu and select Creative Tools tab. Right now, my account doesn't fulfill all of the requirements, so I don't have the option, but if you are eligible, you will be able to see an option called Switch. Simply tap on it and you will enter the creative mode. Then you can just apply using your account and they will share the results with you in about 3 days. And that's how you can join TikTok Creativity Beta Program. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.